Welcome to another X-Ray University video, and guess what? Today we're talking about computer tomography, again, CT, that we just upgraded this beautiful TrueView Prime. The customer didn't have CT before, and they really wanted to add CT to their toolbox, so they sent their machine, and we did an overhaul of the system, added CT, and now the machine is going to go back, and customers now going to have computer tomography. So before we ship the system back, we thought I should give you another idea what the system is capable of doing. So here we have a military connector. So it's steel housing. It's a dense, hard to inspect type of connector, widely used in military and aerospace applications. And you can see here on the bottom, with enough power, we can actually see through the steel. You can see the 4 pins and the little short circuit that that was developed when assembling this connector. You can see those 2 pins shorted to make it even easier to see. Went ahead into the CT of this same connector, and check this out. Look how nice that looks. You can go ahead, rotate it around, and I can take one step further and show you just the pins and how they are shorted together. So right there is the short circuit between the 2 pins. You can clearly see here the 4 pins of the connector. 2 of them are not assembled. Those 2 guys are not connected. And the other 2 here, pins 1 and 2, are in fact shorted. This happened during the manufacturing process. And this image in this volume can clearly demonstrate what happened. Now, we took one step further, and we were able to export this as an STL file and 3D print this short. So you can see here the 4 pins, the 2 wires, and the short circuit between those 2 pins. So really exciting stuff. I mean, this is endless capabilities, endless options, and your creativity is really the limit of what you can achieve when you pair up 2D and 3D and take one step into 3D printing. So give us a call today. Don't forget to subscribe if you have any other questions. And don't forget, we also have financing options for this 3D upgrade. So you can section 179 it for 2024 and push it forward payments for the next several months. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.